Did you use our strategy to buy Tesla? If yes, congratulations. You should make a minimum 14% within this few weeks. So today, I'm going to give you a big alert about Tesla and Apple. What's going on with these two stocks? If you're a short-term holder, if you want to maximize your profit, you have to watch this video. Hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you want to make more money from trading. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. So to help you to get more money from trading and to roll bigger for your financial freedom, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and stay until the end of the video. Okay, so this video is just for education purpose. I don't advise you to do any buy or sell for any stock. Okay, so now we look at Tesla. Tesla is one of my favorite stock because I make so much money from this. I just want to give you a small alert of what's going on right now. So right now, basically, we are above this blue line. I have mentioned this blue line is for long term. So far, the blue line is still going downward. So it's not confirmed we are safe position. But I want to give you one good news, one bad news about Tesla. For the short-term holder, you need to be careful because we have some resistance coming very soon. The first one is this one. So basically, Tesla, this is a weekly chart, use basically 1, 2, 3 candle to battle with this line. So this price is 260. 260. So we are very close right now. We are 257 right now. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. And this line basically serves as a support here. And then they drop full. Okay. Now it become our resistance because we are below this line. So 260. So I'm not saying buying and sell right now, but I want to say we have a very high chance that they come to this 260, this price, and we have a small pullback. Okay, this is for short-term holder. If you want to maximize your profit, you need to be careful tomorrow, basically, which is on Friday. Okay, Friday. Why? Because with this indicator, I say if the candle number 9, the 9th candle, it come with a red candle, which is coming down, so they will have a pullback. Okay, they will have a pullback. Where is the support? Maybe down to 220, the worst scenario, okay? But for long-term holder, for long-term, not long-term, no, for long-term, do we need to worry for this stock? I want to show you this. So for long-term, you can see this one, the chips is still very healthy and it's coming up. The red chips is increasing. So we are still okay. What is the short term is, I think what happened is like they come to the resistance, they bounce down, and then they come again. Because always it would take like some time for you to battle with the resistance, come down and come up again. It would take 2 or 3 times to come up again, to come up above this resistance line usually, okay? So it's very rare case they can go all the way up. So when do we sell Tesla for short-term holder, or if you want to maximize the profit? When they come with a red candle, you can basically sell it. Okay, when you come with a red candle, which is like tomorrow, let's say if tomorrow is red candle, most likely they will have a pullback. Okay, if it's green candle, they will have a strong momentum to go up. This is the Tesla short-term strategy. So I just want to give you a bit alert. But I want to tell you how much you're making the profit if with our strategy. We buy with the RSI strategy, remember? Easy strategy. I've told so many times, but so basically we're buying this candle. So let's say today basically 17%. Me, I'm making 14%. So because I'm not buying at the lowest point, I'm not selling at the highest point, but I still make 14%. Okay. So this is the strategy for Tesla. So the next stock, which I also I bought Apple with the same strategy called RSI strategy. Basically, when RSI go above this 30, I bought. Easy strategy. But I want to give you a bit alert because this one, first, we have the gap here. The gap remember what does it serve? It serves as a support resistance usually. So this gap basically is serves as a resistance because we're still below this. Okay, we're still, so now we just enter this resistance zone. This is for short-term holder, for short, not for long-term. For long-term, we use another strategy. This is short-term. So we need to go above this price, which is 190 to go ahead to go up. Okay, otherwise it will have a resistance zone here, just like a quicksand. Okay, or you come down up, come down again. And what I want to remind you, the good thing is it's above the blue line, but I still need to wait the blue line to come up. Okay, so it will take a little bit, few more days or 1 or 2 weeks to battle with this. Okay, but still healthy. So now we have the 8th candle today. Tomorrow is 9th. The strategy is the same. If Apple come with a red candle for short-term holder, or if you want to maximize the profit, I would sell it myself. I mean, I'm not your advisor, but this is the strategy for short-term holder. Okay, so quite easy strategy, right? So now I want to show you this graph, the Apple. So with my indicator, the blue line, it can tell you the long-term trend. Okay, the red line is more sensitive, can tell what's going on with the price and the opportunity. So now the good thing is this candle go above both lines. So this is a very good positive sign. What you need to remember, you have a resistance here. I'm not saying you will come down a big correction. I never say that, but I want to alert you about this resistance. It's possible tomorrow we come back here, have a small pullback, and come up again. Just like before you jump up, you need to sit down, like you need to get a lower position in order to jump higher. Okay, so far Apple is like this. So you can see here, this is also my indicator. You can subscribe anytime or unsubscribe anytime. To try the indicator is very important. You can try 1 month, and okay, so this one can tell you the organization, they basically increasing the holding. They still holding this stock. Okay, so it's a very healthy sign for Apple for long term. Okay, so yeah, the indicator you can unsubscribe anytime. Why I want to make this video to alert you, because I feel like this is my responsibility. I mentioned how to buy and I didn't mention how to sell. So this video just especially for you if you are short-term holder or if you want to maximize your profit. And it's important when I show you this kind of video and I use my indicator. And if you don't subscribe to my indicator, you don't know when to sell, when to buy, basically. So either you keep watching my video, but hopefully I upload more video later, or subscribe it because you have more protection for yourself. Okay, so anyway, so this is one of our resistance. For our strategy, if you hold this indicator for our subscriber, when, like apart from this, the gap area, when would you sell usually? Like when they drop below this red line, the easiest strategy, if you want to maximize your profit, or they drop below this blue line. Okay? So this is my sharing today. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I just want to announce you, I'm doing promotion. If you want me to analyze your holding, any stock, any coins, so please join the email list and put 2 symbol of your holding, and I will send you back the page with my indicator for you to have a better understanding. Is it buy to sell, or you should add more? So this is a good things to do. And it's very quick. You don't need to take the whole course to do it. So of course, I have a whole course for you to understand the complete strategy, which is more expensive than the indicator. But if you don't have a lot of time, you don't have a lot of money this moment, you just subscribe to the indicator first. At least you can make very good profit, just like what we did for Tesla. Okay, basically, back to Tesla, how many days do we make this 14%? So basically here we bought on 21st. So we just make 14% from how many candles here? Crazy. Eighth candle, 8 days. 8 days we make 14%. So do you think I can help you? Well, it's up to you to tell yourself, can I really help you or not? But the indicator can tell you what's going on with the chart, okay? And this is essential. Or if you have your own strategy, also okay. I'm happy. As long as you have your strategy, you know what's going on, this is fine, okay? So this is my sharing today, and click like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and subscribe it soon because I'm going to do a countdown. Basically, I will raise the price very soon. So I hopefully you can try this month in September, and later I will raise the price. So I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.